yeah, that's right, I'm filming. What up, homies? What up, homeboys? Homeboy. You gonna stay there for a long time? No. Alright guys, let's see what's going on today. I don't know what's gonna happen, man. Might be some crazy shit, might not be some crazy shit at all. We never know. You know, I never know what's gonna happen. I just let things happen. I just go out and see what happens. Basically, yeah, that's what I do. And what's that car? That looks like a, ooh, that's a cool bus. Yeah, a lot better than those new ID bus with a C or Z, however you wanna say it. I think those old ones, they're a lot better, a lot cooler at least, you know. Like a lot of things, you know, it was better before. Not that I was around before, but you know, looking back, I can still say it was better before. Say Formula 1 for example. It was better before when they had the screaming V10s and V8s. Now they have those boring V6. I mean, it's a good engine, don't get me wrong, but the sound, it sounds okay, but you know, it's nothing compared to a V10 or V8 as they had in the past. High five? What? Is there a high five now? I didn't know. I didn't know that there was an i5. I knew that there was an i4, but I didn't know about the i5. Not the high five, the i5. See, yeah, no one coming. Oh shit, man. Slow down, son. Yeah, that's a, oh shit. Already here, man. Or it was like here. There is one here, but there was one earlier as well. Caught me off guard a little. Luckily there was no cars, so I was all right. No harm done. Oh, they're smoking up here. Smoking some trees. Smoking some trees, man. Oh, I like the smell. Oh shit. It smells okay. I like that smell a little bit. It's not the best smell in the world, but it's a good smell. Yeah, that's my backfiring here, like this. Boom, 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 boom. It's not me. Definitely not me. It's the backfiring. Now there is actually like some pops, but I don't think you can hear them. They're quite quiet. Quite quiet. Let's see if I can pop a wheelie. Silent. I already know I can't pop a wheelie. Plant some seeds out here. Plant some seeds in the ground, if they haven't already. I'm not a big agriculture fan, so I don't really know what they're doing right now. But yeah, they've done something with the ground. That's for sure. And here it smells like absolute shit. It's manure. Yeah. It smells like manure because it is manure. I don't like that smell. I'd much rather have the burn smell, you know, of burning some trees. You know, that smells a lot better.